We're having an open house for our Partners in Preservation, which is a grant opportunity that the mill is engaged in with the Park Authority. We have all sorts of activities happening here at the mill. The mill will be operational. We will be grinding grain. Our blacksmith shop will be functioning. Weather permitting, we'll have our still out and distilling water for the general public. We'll have some various farm animals here for the kids to get their picture next to. All in all, it should be a good day for everybody.
In the mill, you will see our historic mill in operation. We'll have the water wheel going and running our millstones. We will be grinding local grain. It'll probably be white or yellow corn, and we'll be making cornmeal and grits here in the mill. That product will be eventually packaged up and put in our general store and sold through our general store to the public.
Partners in Preservation is a collaboration between American Express and the National Trust for Historic Preservation. Colvin Run Mill is one of 24 finalists. The whole grant is based on a social media campaign. If you log on to the Partners in Preservation website, give me your email address and a password, you can vote for Colvin Run Mill. Should you wish to share that vote or share the site or share pictures with via other social media, be it Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Foursquare, then additional points will be awarded to the site. At the end of the contest, which ends May 10th, the site with the most amount of points is granted full funding. For us, that would be $100,000.